Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies, which is downloadable for free on my channel at ukestuff.info. Go to Ukulele Music and go down to Elizabeth Ragsdale Music and you will find it there for download along with her other works and some other links as well. So in this video, first of all, we'll talk about what chord melody is. Then I will demonstrate the song on low G GCA ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial for the song. At the end of the video, I will also demonstrate the song on Baritone DGBE ukulele as if it was written for that as well. Please note that there is no high G version of the song because as Elizabeth arranged it, it uses the 4-string for melody. Now before we go any further, if you want to support this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my 2 YouTube channels. This channel, the Uke Stuff channel, and my other channel, the Ukulele channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, again, you can go to my website, ukestuff.info. You will see not only Elizabeth's materials, but you'll see my materials, as well as the materials by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay, Uke Education, and a link to the chord melodies of the late ukulele Mike Lynch, which are paid, by the way. All right, so what is chord melody? Chord melody is a way of playing the melody and harmony at the same time, generally with just your thumb. Chord melody is going to lead to more advanced concepts like full tablature playing, finger picking, and even claw hammer. So when you're playing chord melody, you're going to be using just your thumb, and you're going to be playing a full chord, part of a chord, or a single string. And it's generally pretty easy, usually in the first position with most chord melodies. All right, let's demonstrate Baltimore Fire on page 11. All right, let's walk through it, a tutorial of Baltimore Fire. Here, we are going to start with the first string open, first string, first fret. Then an F chord with your pinky on the first string, 3rd fret. Repeat the first string, lift up the pinky, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then, we're still in the F chord shape, first string, 2nd string. So first string open, 2nd string, 1st fret. Now a G minor, which is going to be string 4, 3rd fret, string 3, 2nd fret, string 2, 3rd fret. And then you're playing strings 4, 3, 2, and then just strings 4 and 3. That's going to come back in just a second. Then 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, F chord, might as well make it with your hand, strings 4 and 3. Repeat the 3rd string, 2nd string twice, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string, 1st string, and that's a syncopated rhythm. And then, same situation, 1st string open, put down your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string, 3rd fret. F chord with the pinky. By the way, we're on the 2nd line now. 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open. That G minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, strings 4 and 3, 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, strings 4 and 3, 3rd string, 2nd string open, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2, 1st string, 1st fret, 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Keep your hands there. So now you're going to go 4, 3, 2. String 4, string 3, string 2. 3rd line, F chord, another F chord. 2nd string, 3rd fret, And then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, add your pinky to the first string, 3rd fret. Lift up, B flat, but it's not a hard B flat, it's just a 3-finger B flat. So you 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Then repeat the 2nd string up to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, back to the 2nd string, 1st fret. 3rd string, 2nd fret, then an F chord, strings 4 and 3. 2nd string, whole F chord. Now B flat again. First finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and the others 2 just waterfall down. Strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, F chord, strings 4 and 3. 2nd string, full F chord. Now, 1st string open, 1st string, 3rd fret, and then a C chord. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, 2nd string, 1st fret, ring finger goes down to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Repeat the 2nd string, 1st string open, 2nd string. Then there's an 8th rest that doesn't appear in the tablature but appears in the standard notation. That's one of the negatives of just pure tablature, is that you don't always have all the rhythm pieces. So you have to be on the offbeat here. And then a C7, 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Baltimore Fire on low G GC ukulele. Now I'm just going to demonstrate it on Baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Elizabeth Ragsdale's Baltimore Fire, arrangement of Baltimore Fire. You can find it again for free on my website at ukestuff.info. There's no strings attached. You don't have to leave an email. You don't have to do anything. It's just there to download for free. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.